Hey guys, hope you're doing all right. In this video, I'm going to show you how we got over 25 appointments for our credit repair client in their first week working with us. And as you can see here, on the first day, we got around 7 appointments on the first day, and that trend just keep on going. And she actually managed to close 12 clients out of $500 each. And that's the first fee. That's the setup fee of $500. So she managed to make 6 grand on the first week working with us. And the best part about it, she's only spending about 30 bucks a day on ads, not that much. So on the first week, she spent $210 so she can generate $6,000 back. That's that's a 28x return on ad spend. And as you can see here, people are responding very well to the automations, and we had them confirm their appointments here, as you can see here. So these are real people who are really interested in solving their credit and getting a better credit score. You can see here, it just keeps going. So basically, what I'm trying to So basically, this is just a short video to show you the results that we're getting for our client. And if you're interested in having these same results and getting a guaranteed 70 leads or you don't pay on the first 30 days, click the link below and book in your call. And if you don't get 70 leads on your first 30 days, you don't have to pay anything. So if you're a credit repair business owner doing above $5,000 a month, click the link below and book in your call and let's talk.